Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Orchid. As in my so many previous videos, I've been showing you that Orchid has formed a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. I was telling you that once Orchid will be able to break out, then we can expect a very massive rally. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally here in the month of November 2023, almost a year ago, the price and broke out this wedge. But after the breakout, it was stuck inside in another down channel. And from the month of Feb 2024 up till the month of September 2024, it had been moving inside this channel. And finally, here it broke it out. And after the breakout, the price and retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up. Right now, it is trying to break out this long-term resistance of 12 cents that was previously working at the resistance here and resistance here, and for several weeks it had been working at the resistance here as well. And here, despite this long spike, the price and could not break out this 12 cents resistance. And here, for 2 or 3 weeks, it had been working as a support as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Orchid that I shared a few days ago on 21st of November 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 115% very massive rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for Orchid that I shared 21st of November 2024 with my members almost 7 days ago. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Orchid formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. Buying's on and the sell target's on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying's on. And so far, it has pumped almost 115%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Orchid. And this is a weekly time frame chart, first of all. Let me to show you this recent down channel that is more visible, by the way, on the daily time frame chart. And now we are switched to the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, several months, in fact, it had been moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, the price line was still moving above the resistance of the channel, and it was also testing this long-term support of 6.5 cents. For a while, the price line broke it down here, this support of 6.5 cents. And after breaking it down, retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up. And now it is trying to break out this long-term resistance of 12 cents. That is also another very long-term resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 12 cents has been previously working at the resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and resistance here, and resistance here as well. And therefore, again, it is breaking at a very strong resistance. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 17.5 cents and slightly higher than this target. We have a quite long-term resistance here at 20 cents that had been previously working as a support here. In fact, we had two touch points here. We had a bounce here, another bounce here. This was another bounce, another bounce, another bounce. And now, after this breakdown, it can be flipped into a strong resistance for the price line. And in my point of view, after the breakout from this channel, there is a very high probability that the price line may try to break out this resistance of 20 cents. And then the next long-term resistance will be here at 35 cents. That was previously breaking at the resistance here. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.